Praise be to God. Today, let's see how to play the song Aradhanai Nayagan Neere. It's a worship song. So, the song comes in C minor scale. I hope you remember, right? C minor, C to C. So E flat comes, A flat comes, B flat comes. I told you in the last class also, yeah? For the engal. So the song goes like two times, huh? Aayul mudiyum varai. Ummai thozhudhiduvaen. Again. Then the stanza part, it goes the high note. Okay, so Maandhargal poatridum. Two, three, four. Two, three, four. Two, three, four. Two, three, four. Aayul. Two, three, four. Then again the same thing comes, yeah? Okay, so the chords for the song. So C minor, 2, 3, 4, B flat, 2, 3, 4, B flat, 2, 3, 4, C minor, 2, 3, again 2 times, huh? This is a E flat major, okay? E flat, G, B flat. This is a F minor, then that is B flat 7th. The G 4th, okay? The G 4th, yeah? This inversion. Wherever the note comes, I already told you, right? So F minor 3, 4, then B flat 7th, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a G major. Okay, so G fourth 2 counts, then G major 2 counts, then Aradhanai. B flat major, then B flat major, then C minor. Okay. Now this part is between C minor, B flat major, C minor. C minor, B flat, E flat. Okay, again C minor, C minor, B flat, E flat, then this part is F minor, B flat major, then B flat 7th, again the same order, G 4th, then F minor, B flat major, then E flat, E flat, B flat, then C minor. Okay. If you are just going to little deeper, so you can use C minor added 9th. That means C minor with D note. Ending will be C minor. Okay. All right. So I'll show you both ends. So if you see the both end settings for the song, this song is in the ballad group. We go to the ballad and then analog ballad. Okay, so the tempo will be 85. So on the accompaniment, and you can try. See, the song goes like this. Next octave. Stanza. Okay, so this comes along with the ending number 2. Okay, children of God, so pray and watch this video, and while watching you set up the keyboard and play line by line. I prefer you to do this. So what happens now, you will straight away clear all your doubts and it will be easy for you. So as usual, I request you to share this video to all your friends, and like and subscribe, okay, if you not yet to do. All right, I bless you in the name of Jesus Christ. God bless you, children of God. Bye. See you in the next video.